Training with IQoro means a daily routine of 90 seconds in total. It's simple, allowing you to train just about anywhere. Each exercise session takes 30 seconds. Now we'll show you how. Grip your IQoro and place it behind your lips and in front of your teeth. When you have your IQoro in your mouth, pull it forward slightly to break any contact between it and your gums. Now press your lips together firmly around the handle, as if making the sound mmm. Pull your IQoro away from you and count in your head to 10. Now rest for 3 seconds. This training action needs to be repeated twice more in order to complete a training pass.